So my second question is, how does forgiveness and justice can go together, especially when the perpetrators do not admit or they're aware of their wrongdoings? This could apply to personal matters or political situations. So this kind of situation is really hard to find joy when the reconciliation through forgiveness cannot really, it's not possible. What do you think?
I think that sometimes when we think about practices, especially Christian practices, we start to see connections between them. As you were asking that question, I began to think about the importance of storytelling. And you were talking about people who didn't understand the fullness of the wrongdoing. I think that there's been such amazing work that's been done in storytelling with a number of issues. I know of one in Los Angeles. It's called, I think it's Listen LA or Listen Los Angeles. And what it is it's a band of African Americans who come together and they share their story and their experience of blackness. And the audience listens. And so for people who maybe don't understand the fullness of an issue and maybe can't even begin to think about forgiveness because what is there to forgive? Storytelling's vital because all of a sudden we hear someone's story and we're like, oh my goodness, there's something there. There's a forgiveness that I need to be a part of.